Hi everyone. Come to Remora TC to trade like a shark and not get eaten by one. Let's school together to protect and grow our money. This video is a stock market sector review of the industrial sector. When we think of the industrial sector, you need to think about aerospace and defense companies, industrial machinery, construction and engineering companies, and electrical equipment companies. Some of the big names that we would think about: Boeing, Lockheed Martin, Honeywell are some of the big names. What you see here is the monthly chart with no indicators listed on the bottom. I'm going to start annotating to give us some idea of support and resistance lines from a big picture standpoint, and then I'll refine it with the weekly view and also look at some momentum indicators to give us some more fidelity. All right, you can kind of see here. I'm just kind of making some broad strokes, nothing super precise because it's on the monthly view. Let's go from there. Let's see here. All right, so it looks like there's a breakout here. This does make a nice long-term support line right now. It's price is using it as strong support. Let's go to the weekly. Okay, we'll refine these lines a little bit. Maybe that on the weekly. Okay. And then this one, tighten it up just a little bit, pull it up, kind of like that. All right. And then let's add the RSI and PPO in so we can get a feel for momentum, and we'll discuss it. Let's see how things look. Okay, pull this up a little bit. Okay, right off the bat, I see kind of like a channel here. Sideways action. Okay, price moving horizontally, maybe through this zone. Okay, so you've got, I'm going to draw using this brush. Okay, so let's look at this zone, okay, and compare it with this one and this one. So three points here. For the most part, you see it going horizontally. So the highs from here to here to here are pretty much the same. From a momentum standpoint, the momentum is going downward, okay? So to me, this indicates the likelihood from an RSI standpoint that price will go down. PPO down here confirms what RSI is saying. PPO says, hey, it's going to go down as well. And sure enough, on this week, mid-January, big sell signal, some flagging, a retest of this trend line. Actually, I'm going to tighten up the trend line because it's the weekly. You can do that. Let's tighten it up a little bit. Maybe we'll go to here. Go to that one. Touch here, a touch here. Tighten that up a little bit. Okay. Yeah, actually, that's a good trend line because not only did we get a touch here, a reaction here, an impulsive breakthrough of it, and then price came back and retested it as support. So this is a good trend line at the weekly. All right, so let's continue our analysis. Okay, let's take a look at these lows here. So this low to this low. Okay, so you can see that price is there's a low here and a lower low here, okay? So low here, a lower low here. You can obviously see price is going down. RSI says, hey, you know, hold your horses. Actually, let's add another one. Let's look at this low here. Okay, so between these 3 points, just further lows. Okay, so this one, a lower one, and then a lower one still. What is momentum telling us? Momentum's telling us, I have some divergence here. Okay, positive bullish divergence, which looks like it played out right here. Look at that. Boom, right up to resistance. Failed. Okay, made a new lower low, and yet you can see that momentum continues to go up. The PPO confirms it over here. Okay, and then boom. Use this long-term trend line as support and broke through this upper descending trend line, came back and retested it. So the question is, where will XLI go in the next couple months? Let's do that. Let's draw this across here. And let's extend this one as well. Okay. So as a reminder, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just somebody who enjoys looking at the stock market from a technical analysis standpoint. I don't play a financial advisor on YouTube either. So is it going up, down, or sideways? You know, what are the sharks doing? We want to trade like the sharks. We don't want to be on the wrong side of the trade, get eaten by them. So let's see. Let's add one more line here, just so I can get a better feel. Perhaps, interesting. So this point here, this one here, there's a high, there's a lower high, okay? From a momentum indicator, from here to here is actually diverging, divergent against price action. So it's upwardly trending. To me, this looks like it's gonna continue to go up. Okay, so if I were to make a prediction, and I will, I feel price is going to remain up here from an XLI ETF standpoint. Perhaps price will, okay, ping pong up here in this channel. All right, that's my assessment. Upward action, maybe ping ponging around for the next couple months in December and maybe January. Now the question is whether price is going to fail if it gets down below. Let's go here. If it gets below this support line here, right? If it fails in the next couple of weeks and stays below here, switch this to red, then it'll likely consolidate. So we'll see. I don't want to give a mixed signal for you, mixed projection. The technical indicators tell me that it is bullish. It's going up. All right, at least for the next couple months. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. It only takes a second to like and a second to subscribe. Share the video with your friends and click the bell icon so that you can get notifications of when I post new material, and comment. Let me know what you think. Good luck with your trading. Thanks for watching.